Alright, so today I am going to be upgrading the headlights from the OEM to the Japanese kooky lights. In my opinion, these just look way better, and that's literally the main reason I'm doing it. Nothing else. It's just visually more appealing to me. So as soon as I got the car, I knew I was gonna have to upgrade to these just because I like these ones so much better. So just bought them, I think 2 days ago, and they actually showed up early. So we're gonna swap these out. It is only, I believe, 4 bolts. Oh no, this one's broken. That's broken. It shouldn't be too bad. But other than that, I just cleaned it up real quick. We're gonna swap these ones out, and I'm gonna show you how. So the very first thing you need to do is take off this front little piece here. What I did is I just took a screwdriver and put it down through this hole. Whoa, almost dropped the camera. Put them down through both sides. I already saw exactly how it worked, so I can pop those off. But basically you want to press down on these 2 clips on the inside, and that'll help pull them out. All right, and then the next thing you need to do is take a screwdriver or whatever it is on your car. These bolts probably aren't the same, and take out the side marker light that holds it against the headlight. Next thing you need to do is take out the 2 10 mil. This one was already out, so I'm just gonna take off the one. Apparently some pretty long bolts. There we go. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take off your side marker light. For me, all I was able to do is just kind of wedge it in between this once I got it off and slowly started wiggling it out. Personally, I'm going to end up replacing these just because they are so worn. But once that's out of the way, you're going to reveal the 2 screws over here on the side and then unbolt those. Now with those unbolted, this should slide right out. And I have spoken too soon, apparently. Yep, look at that, just sliding on out. Just a sliding. I'm caught on something. That's the front bumper, isn't it? Looks like it. Now, unfortunately, with taking out the light, I'm starting to notice more and more things that are upsetting. Like all the surface rust, and none of this is straight. So it looks to be like the car definitely wasn't an accident, but down the road, if everything works out, all this is gonna get cut out anyways. But back to the main part, the difference between the two. I mean, just in my opinion, the glass crystal type, like this one, is so much better looking. So let's install that one. So now let's get to bolting everything back up. Spouse like this. Make sure that's in, that's in. connects up to that.
So there's no leveler on this one?
No, I noticed that. Wow, this cover sucks. Close enough. All right.
Boom.
It looks so much better.
That's amazing. It's gonna look so much better without this too, because now this stands out. Like, it looks terrible.
Well, they already did, but the only thing that worries me a little bit is just how high that is sitting. But I wonder if it could just be that accident that it looks like it was in.
Yeah. Probably just sits a little higher here. It's probably not bent up or down properly.
Yeah.
Because you can see the wave in the frame there. Yeah, holy crap. Yeah, so Tyler wants to get the clear side markers too. But the guy that we bought these from didn't have these, so we just eventually need to find them.
Now, just as a heads up for you guys that are planning on doing this or have, here's a quick comparison on the back side.
On ours, anyway.
Yeah, on ours.
This is the old one, which has like 2 levelers.
Versus this one that doesn't have anything. I don't know exactly what this is or what it does. So if you guys can let me know on that, that'd be awesome. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I mean, they work. They're probably going to be a little brighter than the... I forget what they call that pattern. But...
yeah, I definitely need to upgrade
yeah,
the light bulbs themselves.
We're going to be getting probably some LEDs like we did on his WRX for now. We just have to find some that we like. Do you want to try the lights?
Alright, so that's how you guys install those. I've been wanting these for the longest time, so I'm really glad to have them in. We should be getting the Miata back here pretty soon. Oh, hello, Poopy. We should be getting the Miata back here pretty soon, so we're going to have a video of that thing running and driving. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys.